If you want to make money online, don't do e-commerce. Do this instead. I've been making money online since 2008, and some of that has been with e-commerce. A lot of that's been with e-commerce, but I've also made money in other ways that I think are much better for people just starting out. Now, you might say e-commerce is one of the top ways that people make money online. They have since the beginning of the internet, going all the way back to the 90s. Jeff Bezos, one of the richest guys in the world, has Amazon, which is an e-commerce site. But I think that e-commerce is too difficult for somebody just starting out to get into. And here are the reasons why. One is supply. If you're doing traditional e-commerce, which is what I have mostly done when it comes to e-commerce, that's where you're actually buying products. Let's say you're selling shoes. You buy 100 pairs of shoes and it costs you $5,000 or whatever. You store those shoes in your garage or your spare bedroom or whatever, and you hope that they sell. The downside of that is you have to have some startup money in order to buy those products. The other issue that you run into is shipping. I had an issue just today, which somebody contacted me about an order that they placed on my website. The post office didn't deliver it to them for whatever reason. And in a nice way, I have to explain to people in that situation that I don't control the post office, but they don't really want to hear that. And that package is probably lost and I have to send a new package out to them. The gurus selling courses about e-commerce and drop shipping, which I'm going to get into here in just a second, they don't tell you about the shipping issues that you're going to deal with all the time. They can really be a big headache with a lot of customer service, people contacting you saying, "Where's my package? I don't have it," yada, yada, yada. The other thing that is a major problem that I've run into a lot in my e-commerce business is dealing with suppliers. Anytime I've had really hot products that were selling well, the suppliers struggled to keep up with the demand that I needed. If it was selling a sweatshirt, like let's say this was the hot color, they run out. And then you have to tell the customer, "Oh, I'm sorry, I don't have that color anymore. Would you buy this?" Or what I have run into quite a bit with my business is suppliers continually raising prices, at times doubling the price to where my price to get it is what I'd been charging. So then I have to raise my price a lot. Or what I've run into is the supplier just doesn't have the product anymore. One of the best selling products that was on my e-commerce site, the supplier contacted me a few months ago and said, "Sorry, we're not going to sell that in the United States anymore. I can't get it anywhere else." So I lost out on the money of that product and had to find other products. Another way of making money with e-commerce is called drop shipping, which has become really popular in the last few years. The advantage to drop shipping is you don't have to have a garage full of the product. It's often on demand. So you sell the item and then you contact the supplier. They send it directly to the customer rather than sending it to you. The problem that can happen with this is, again, supply. This was a big problem when the pandemic was in full swing, because most of the people that were doing drop shipping were getting their supplies from China, from a site called AliExpress or Alibaba. And when those supply chain issues shut down, people had trouble getting their products. So there were a lot of drop shippers who went under because they could no longer get their products shipped from China. So what is this other form of making money that I would recommend to people who are just getting started? Well, that is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing, in my opinion, is the best business for somebody starting out, or even people who have a good bit of experience online. If you're just looking for a secondary or third income stream, affiliate marketing can be really fantastic. Well, what is affiliate marketing? Well, affiliate marketing is when you are selling someone else's product, and all you do is drive traffic to their site or their product page, and the customer buys from them, and you get a commission from the seller. One of the top ways that people are doing this is through Amazon. Amazon has an affiliate program. So if we stick with the example of shoes, if I wanted to sell Air Jordans, I could run traffic to Amazon's site where they're selling Air Jordans. I don't know if they do or not, but this is just an example. And if somebody bought the pair of Air Jordans on that site or anything else that Amazon has to sell, and I think it's typically within a 30-day period, I would get a percentage of that. And the great thing is Amazon handles the shipping of that product. Amazon handles all the customer service. So I don't have to deal with the customer service issues at all. Amazon just gives me the money. These can be physical products, or what I really recommend is digital products like courses and those type of things. Even ebooks can be digital affiliate products. There is a site called ClickBank that's this massive resource of all kinds of digital products. One of the big things and something that I've sold in the past is workout programs. So you make a video or a post on Instagram or Facebook or Pinterest or TikTok or wherever. Somebody clicks on that, then they can go to your link to a workout program that you are an affiliate for. And then ClickBank will handle the sale, all of the customer service, and they just give you a commission from that. And usually the commission is pretty high on those digital products, 30, 40. I've seen some as high as 75%. It's basically free money for the seller because you're driving all the traffic and it's just extra income for them. So affiliate marketing, especially with digital products where there are no issues with shipping or anything like that, a digital product is just an instant download. To me, that is the best way for a new person trying to make money online. If that's you, if you're looking for a way to make money online, affiliate marketing to me is the way to go. It's so much better than e-commerce for somebody starting out. Now, if you go, down the road and you're making a lot of money and you want to try to invest in selling some e-commerce products, it can still be great. It can be very lucrative. As I said, I've made money with it since 2008, basically every day. But I also am a huge proponent of affiliate marketing. If you'd like to learn more about how you can get started in affiliate marketing, check the links in the description of the video here. And there are some great resources for you to learn more about affiliate marketing.